guys, it's Jessie Lee and I want to show you how I pack a trial. Now, while I am showing you this is exactly how I do it. I want to make sure I reinforce that because you can do whatever you want to do, but I'm also telling you some of you are procrastinators and you literally won't sell a trial until you have everything I have. Stop it right now. Sell your trials. It's better for them to be done than perfect. I'll say that again. It's better for your trials to be done rather than perfect. So overall, I sell trials 15 for $105 US dollars, okay? 15 for $105, 10 for $80 US dollars, and 5 for $45 US dollars. This is for normal flavors, and I'm going to show you the ratio as well. It'll make sense in a second. So for me, this is my home setup. I have mailers right here that of course you can earn from me for free. This is what all of my trials go in. Well, they're free for you. So I was gonna say they're inexpensive, but they're free for you. I will package my trials in here. It's great. I can fold this level down right here, put the mailer right on the back. I use PayPal shipping. Don't go to the post office. Use PayPal shipping. It's cheaper, it's easier, it's better, okay? But I ship these literally from my home in this mailer. I'm gonna show you here in a second. I have an insert like this. You can go under the file section of the Empire and you're going to see these. This just simply shows them how to order more. It shows them exactly how to take the ketones properly. I'll show you how I pack this in just a second. I'm gonna seal it off with this bad boy. It's just a sticker. I got these from Prove It Events. You don't have to use these. Again, please don't think you have to have these to get your business off the ground. And then these pens, I also mail out all the time, so make sure you're participating on the team. They're just what do you know about ketones or ketosis pens for our team, for the Empire, and these are gonna go in every single trial of mine as well, simply because I'm trying to show people, hey, I want you to think of me when you're writing whatever with this pen. Okay, now here's how the trials work. And I mentioned the word ratio, and the reason I mentioned the word ratio is because this is really important. So my ratio is for every 5 in a trial. So a 5-day, a 10-day, a 15-day, here's the ratio. 1 keto cream, and then 4 ketones, okay? So this is an example. This probably would not be a trial because there's no variety and flavors here, but this right here is what I am personally selling for that $45 price point. 1 keto cream, 4 ketones. 1 keto cream, 4 ketones. Now, the ratio stays the same. So if it's a 10-day, it's 2 keto cream, 8 ketones. If it's a 15-day, it's 3 keto cream, 12 ketones. Now you can do whatever you want to do. I chose that price point because for me, this is a lower price point, which means if I include a keto cream in my trials, my profit on a 5-day is higher than yours. So keep that in mind. This is what I think you should be doing. It's also a great way for you to introduce other products into people's hands. So they're getting the healthy fats, they're getting their collagen, and they're getting their exogenous ketones. Keep that in mind. Now, for me, you can do whatever you want, but for me, I'm a big fan of upcharging for specialty flavors because they're special. You had to go out of pocket and get them. So this is what I do. Do what you want, of course. For me, if you're getting a packet of Unleashed, let's say somebody says, I want a Ruby Rush, I want an Eclipse, and I want a Blue Ocean. Let's say they want this in a 5-day trial. So instead of the 5-day trial being $45, these I upcharge $5 a packet for. Do whatever you're comfortable with, but I'm telling you, people pay for it. The Unleashed Black Label has more ketones, has fulvic acid in it, and also has more caffeine. They're more expensive in general for you. Get your money back. So for me, that would be a $60 trial. Does that make sense? It's still 5 days. This trial would look like this. Let me grab another keto cream. This trial right here, if you're looking at this is literally a $60 trial. This right here in my hand, okay? 3 Black Label, a keto cream, and 1 normal keto nat. Now, I said normal keto nat because in my trials, I also upcharge. And I'm telling you guys, we have a premium product everyone pays for. I promise you, use some posture around it. Nobody will give you money excuses. Let's say they want True Passion. Let's say they want Pop and Pear Apple. Let's say they want Dark Cherry in a 5-day trial. These I upcharge $2. I don't charge 5 extra. $2 more, $2 more, $2 more. And they don't get another 5 ketones. Their trial would look something like this. Okay, so instead of it being 45, it'd be 45, $47, $49. This would be a $51 trial. Make sense? That's how I run my trials. You can do whatever you want. You can also get creative. I do this a lot with my trials. When a new flavor comes out, I sell a lot of 5 days of just that flavor. I do 5 for $50. So when we come out with something like maybe we come out with Vanilla Sky, if somebody wants a 5-pack of Vanilla Sky, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'll show you how I wrap this up. This 5-day right here of Keto Nat Vanilla Sky is $50 US, and I do charge shipping, okay? If you're in a state that charges tax and shipping, I do recommend charging your customers tax and shipping. I live in the great state of Texas. We don't have tax on ketones, so I do not charge tax on my ketones. I do charge $5.50 shipping for everybody, okay? Now here's how I do this. All I do is I put my insert, which again, you're gonna get under Files in the Empire. I put my ketones in there. I put my pen in here, and all I do is I wrap, I fold. If it's a really good customer, I might even throw in a free Mitoplex. This costs literally pretty much nothing, okay? Now what I do from here is I flip it over. I would take a sticker. I'd take one of these little stickers right here. I'd stick it right here on the back, just a little extra whatever. I'd put it in this mailer, stick it in here. It would get mailed out. This is it. Super easy, super breezy. Now, let me tell you some things that can also make things less expensive. Some of you are selling a lot of 15-day trials. Some of you are selling 20-day trials. Make sure you go to USPS.com if you're American. These are free to order. These flat rate envelopes are 100% free to order. You can do these, you can do bubble mailers, whatever. This does cost $7.15 currently to mail, but still, this will be cheaper for a lot of you. So what I'll do is I'll do one of these. And then I will actually put a Hacked magazine in here, which I see them, but I don't know if you can grab me a Hacked magazine or not. I'm like, whoops, sorry. So these little guys right here came in all your kits as well. In a 15-day or more, just because it weighs a lot anyway, and I have this right here, what I'll do is I will take this sucker right here, this Hacked magazine. What I tend to do is I will put it on the page, and I would recommend doing this just because I'm part of your support line, and so it would be a good idea for people to know about it. I'm right here, okay? I'm on page 25. So I usually will take that little insert and I'll stick it right here very intentionally so that people have their instructions right there. I'll put this in here, I'll put their 15-day in here, their pen, etc., and I'll mail this off again on PayPal for $7.15. You can get super creative with your trials if you want to. I want you to understand this is your business. I want you to run it however you want. So sometimes I'll go and I'll shop and I'll get extra stuff. Let's say it's a trial for a SmartShip customer. I might give them something like this little ketone bag, right? These little ketone bags for them to carry their ketones in. I might even do a special trial occasionally with one of our blender bottles, like these really cool fancy new blender bottles that were from our events. And if you go to Empire events or Pruitt events, you can get blender bottles. You could upcharge like crazy for this. If I put this blender bottle in a trial, I'm telling you what, if I did a 10-day trial with this, I'm probably gonna charge $115 or something like that. And they'll pay for it all day. So get fun, get creative with it. You can do colored trials. You can do seasonal trials. You can do any of the pink trials. You can do trials of the Keto Up. You can do anything you want. You could do a workout trial and include some of the Protones. This is absolutely your business. I want you to get excited about it. And the best way to get SmartShip customers is to start them as trial customers, get them as customers, and then get them on SmartShip, and those make the best recruits. I hope this helps you guys out. Any questions at all you have, let us know. Love you guys.